Hi viewers, I welcome you all to the notification center. I am Ratnakumar. Today in these notifications we are going to see the recruitment on teaching post in Central University of Tamil Nadu. Before getting into detailing, if you want to know about this kind of job details or job notifications on recruitment notifications, just hit subscribe button so that you will get notifications regarding various jobs. Like I posted Indian Post recruitment, RBI recruitment, and then assistant professors and associate professor vacancy in the University of Hyderabad and University of Delhi. You can verify all those things. Okay, let me concentrate on this particular notifications. Actually, this notification was released on 2nd December 2021, and around 26 vacancies there for 18 disciplines. Before going to apply for this job, you have to make sure that it is a regular job or else contractual. It is a regular based job, so they mentioned clearly. And also whether there is a vacancy for your category, you have to verify that. Okay, you can verify with these notifications. And then another particular thing is that the last date for filling up all this application form is on 3rd January 2022. Actually, they clearly mentioned that it is a university will not be responsible for any kind of a delay. If you scroll down below to the 10th page, they mention one thing, 4.16, the completed application along with the enclosures should be submitted on or before 3rd. That means you have to fill the application form. For that you need to download the application form, and also you have to enclose all the documents in for your post. For example, if you are applying for the professor post, you have to verify the eligibility criteria for professor post. In addition to that, you have to go for the general instruction, so that you can came to know that what all the document you need to attach along with your applications. Okay, to Joint Registrar Recruitment Cell, Central University of Tamil Nadu. So okay, where you can get the application form? It's simple. Just go to the Google and search for Central University of Tamil Nadu, and the first link itself is the official website of the Central Institute of Tamil Nadu. So just click here. Then you land on the official website. In this, you want to click on careers. In careers, you can see the notifications regarding the various job openings and also. So currently we are looking for the teaching position backlog vacancy. There you can download the application form in PDF format and also in Word format. Whichever you want, you can download it by clicking the application form. So this is application form, so you need to fill it. Okay, if you want to look for this notification, just click on the recruitment of teaching positions. Automatically it will redirect to the notifications. So this is the notifications regarding the backlog positions in Central University of Tamil Nadu. And those who are preparing for NET exams or SET exams, or also pursuing your PhD, you have to go through the eligibility criteria for assistant professors, even though if you are not applying for this post, because in future it may be required for you. So you need to know about what all the things you need to know, whether if in future if they are call for any recruitment, that times you need to be equipped with all these necessary documents and all these criteria you need to fill. So for that you need to go through all those things, and then you have to prepare yourself for the future recruitments. So that's it. So those who are eligible for this post, you have to go through all the notifications, and then based on this you need to apply. So we'll see you on the next notification. Until this is bye from Ratnakumar. Thank you.